Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best dog food for boxers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the ORIJEN Amazing Grains Puppy Large Dry Dog Food. ORIJEN's philosophy is that our pets should eat the diet that evolution and nature intended, which means high animal protein and other all-natural foods. This large breed puppy formula contains an impressive 90% of premium animal ingredients, including tasty organ meats. These include both free-run poultry and wild-caught fish. But ORIJEN also includes healthy, easy-to-digest grains, oats and millet, and whole fruits and vegetables, such as pumpkin, collard greens, and cranberries. These and other premium ingredients give your baby boxer the best start to life and plenty of energy to boot. ORIJEN also carries an excellent grain-free large breed puppy formula. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Diamond Naturals Dry Food for Puppy. If you're on a tight budget but don't want to skimp on the quality of your puppy's food, we highly recommend this Diamond Naturals recipe. Featuring pasture-raised lamb as the first ingredient and tummy-friendly grains, this formula is a great option for sensitive stomachs. It also includes nutrient-rich veggies and fruits, such as spinach, kale, carrots, pumpkin, blueberries, oranges, coconut, and kelp. Although some recent reviewers said it gave their puppies diarrhea, most owners are more than satisfied with how their little boxers are thriving on this diet. At number 3, we have the Taste of the Wild High Prairie Canine Grain-Free Recipe. A favorite of pet parents, Taste of the Wild's High Prairie recipe is formulated with such novel proteins as water buffalo, bison, and venison to support strong bones and joints and lean muscles. This grain and gluten-free includes highly digestible complex carbs to give your boxer plenty of energy. And it's fortified with vitamins, chelated minerals, and antioxidants from tomatoes, blueberries, raspberries, and other sources for holistic health benefits. At number 2, we have the Nulo Freestyle All-Breed Senior Dry Dog Food. Nulo Freestyle's senior formula is a fantastic choice for aging boxers who are still fairly active. It contains lower fat content than most adult food, but it's still high in animal protein to support your boxer buddy's muscle mass and energy. This grain-free recipe with deboned trout as the first ingredient could also be a great fit if your pup has tummy woes or skin allergies. It also includes special nutrients to support immune, digestive, and joint health. And finally, at number 1, we have the Diamond Naturals Senior Real Meat Recipe Natural Dry Dog Food. Ideal for older boxers who aren't as energetic as their younger selves, this Diamond Naturals Senior formula is a high-quality and affordable option. With fewer calories and fat content, it still has plenty of protein that muscular boxers need. This formula combines cage-free chicken, easy-to-digest whole grains, and plenty of antioxidant-rich fruits and vegetables, with an excellent blend of other nutrients that target the health needs of aging pups. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.